Anyways, I finally decided to look inside the motor housing of my Hunter Pacific Aurora 2 ceiling fan. So just to check out the motor, because I did see it before, but I just didn't really remember much of it. I knew the spinner motor before, but so anyways, I did the spinner motor as expected in most modern fans, but it's not bad to be honest, the performance of this fan. That's whatnot. Anyways, let's find this in low. This for showing. I'm actually holding this light just in case the wire's going down. I doubt it'll happen, but yeah. Actually, that's widely I did something to the ball, which made it bubble and high. I hope we fixed it now. But yeah. It's by accident. But now it's making that sound which you don't know where it's coming from. It's made a sound before, but please medium. Yeah, why is it making that sound now? Ever since I disassembled it, it's been making that sound. And here we have high speed, which is not much different than medium. Actually, it's actually pretty much the same as medium, but for some reason it seems to be a little bit quieter. And yeah. Don't need to show the spin down. You'll see the spin. If you want to see the spin down, there's a video of the fan up where I show the spin down. But yeah, there it is. Anyways, there you have it. Thanks for watching.